Hi there. Your first assignment for music class is going to be to put together an instrument kit. If your parents would like to, they are more than welcome to come pick up a starter kit from school. The starter kit is going to contain a set of rhythm sticks, a pool noodle scraper, an egg shaker, and some little jingle bells, okay? So this is just the starter kit. So if your parents would like to pick up a starter kit from school, I will have them available. However, you don't have to come to school to pick up a kit. You can make your own kit at home. So the first thing I want you to look for your instrument kit is going to be something that you can use for rhythm sticks. It could be pencils, it could be chopsticks, it could be maybe a couple wooden spoons, but see if you can find something that will sound something like this, okay? And we're going to use that as our rhythm sticks and maybe drumsticks. All right, so that's the first thing that you're going to need for your kit. And I would recommend that you get a nice bag or a little bucket or a basket so that you can keep all your instruments together, okay? All right, then we're gonna want you to find something to use as a scraper. This is made out of a pool noodle, okay? So see if you can find something that would make a noise similar to that. Maybe you can find some blocks with sandpaper. Maybe you can find a pair of flip-flops and rub the bottoms together. So be creative. It does not have to look like this. We're just looking for something that you rub together and maybe make the sound similar to it, okay? Be creative. All right, then we have our egg shaker. All right, this is simply just an Easter egg and it's filled with popcorn kernels. If you don't have an Easter egg, you could maybe get a plastic storage container and put some rice in it. Once again, be creative. Find something to put something that when you shake it, it makes a similar noise, okay? So that's our shaker. So far I want something that you can tap together like the rhythm sticks, something that you rub together like the pool noodle scraper, and then something that you can shake like this, like the egg shaker, okay? A shaker instrument. And then I want something that is going to be a metal instrument. And that could simply be like maybe a metal bowl that you can tap with your rhythm stick, or maybe you have something like a triangle at home, or maybe something that sounds like a triangle at home, or even a pot that you could tap with a stick or a wooden spoon. Be creative. But we want an instrument that's going to be made of metal, okay? All right, other additional things that we have in our kit is we have a scarf or a bandana. Okay, so if you have a handkerchief, a scarf, or a bandana, or even if you don't have any of these, a paper towel would be okay, or a dish towel, but I would like you to put that into your instrument kit. If you are in grades 2, 3, 4, or 5, I would like you to try to find a plastic cup and put that with your instrument kit, okay? And I would love for you to find a little stuffed animal. It does not have to be this big. It can just be something small, and we're going to use it as a beat buddy. So that's going to be a little friend that's going to help us keep the beat. So if you could find a little animal, and you could put that into your instrument kit. And the last thing I'm going to ask you to put in your instrument kit is something like a Frisbee. So either a Frisbee or maybe a plastic plate, maybe a lid from a container of ice cream, like a plastic lid, but something that we can use as a hand drum, or maybe use it as a drum when we have our rhythm sticks that we can tap on it. Okay? So, I want you to be creative, and I want you to make your own kit, okay? And you can also pick up the starter kit from school if you would like to. So your assignment this week, once again, is to put together your instrument kit. And I would like you to show me some of the things that you make. So I am going to set up a little flip grid that you can record and show me some of the instruments that you've made, okay? All right, I can't wait to see them.